Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Wiggins wig install. So this wig is a wavy to curly texture and it's quite long. I believe it should be maybe around 26 inches. I'll leave all the information in the description box for the specs. This wig is a glueless 4x4 or I believe 5x5 wig that is a perfect wig for anyone on the go, a literal pop on and go wig. I'll get into more details about the wig in the video, but I just wanted to show you how gorgeous this wig is. So the wig comes in this box which has their logo, Wiggins Hair, and in the box you get quite a few treats. Of course you get the wig in the box. You also get some lashes, you get a wig band to help you melt that lace, you get a wig cap to help install the wig, an edge brush, as well as a silk bag to store your wig. I'm going to show you exactly how I styled the wig into what you can see here, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. The hair itself is gorgeous. I absolutely love the waves on this unit, and what I love the most about this unit is that it's completely glueless. It's a 5x5 and the wig comes with this protector that keeps the wig in shape. So when you get it, all you have to do is just take that off and your wig is literally ready to go on. So this is what the frontal looks like, super clean, and the lace has already been cut for you in a jig-jag formation, so it looks very natural when you put it on. The knots, as you can see, have already been bleached and they are super tiny, and the wig itself comes with an elastic band, which you can see here, combs inside and combs in the back, and it's pretty much ready to wear. Everything has been done for you. All I really have to do is wet the hair to activate the curls and style it to my desired look. So before I put the wig on, what I'm going to do, I'm going to flip the lace inside out like this, and I'm just going to start to put some makeup on the lace. That way it blends so much better with my skin. This is my contour brush, and this is just leftover makeup on the brush that I'm just going to put on the lace to help it blend a lot better. I'm not going to put a wig cap on because sometimes I find that with lace this good, it tends to be a little bit see-through, and sometimes you can see the cap underneath the lace, or underneath the wig, sorry. So I'm not going to put a wig cap on, I'm just going to put it straight on my head. That looks so good already. Okay, so this is what it's looking like straight on. Obviously I haven't put any adhesive whatsoever on it, and I don't think I need to, because guys, look how close to my head this is staying. And this is on no glue. Wow, looks so good. But we're gonna make it look that much better. I feel like in the light you can still see the lace just a little. So I'm just gonna put a darker colored makeup on it to hide it. Wow, look at the difference that made from that side to that side. Looks so good. Wow. The curls on this are gorgeous. I'm gonna show you what they look like from the back. The hair is so flowy. I actually like the curls the way they are because I feel like they look like how I want them to look when they dry if I put water on it. So I'm just gonna get a wide tooth comb and just give them a little bit more volume. This is so pretty. And look how easily the comb glides through the hair. No tangles and barely any shedding. I believe it's a 5x5, but I may be wrong, so I'm going to leave all the measurement details in the description box. But you have a good amount of parting space, as you can see. So the hair is looking so good so far. I'm really glad I actually put the mousse in it. I feel like the mousse definitely defined the curls way better. I'm gonna use my wave spray. I don't know why it's not focusing, but I'm gonna use this. It smells really, really good. And it's just gonna help define the curls a little bit more. Because sometimes I find that with mousse, I don't know if this is with anybody else, but with mousse, it can be quite sticky, and I like to run my fingers through my hair, even if it's curly. So that sticky feeling kind of gets annoying to me. So adding a different type of texture in the hair takes away from the stickiness of the mousse. Okay, and now I'm gonna take my Gissu honey infused oil, looks like this, and I'm just gonna take that and put it through the hair as well. I'm gonna actually tie my hair down for about 10 minutes just to lay the front part really, really flat, because I like that look, and I might actually diffuse the curls to give it a fuller look as well. This is what the hair looks like all fluffed out after styling. I just love the fact that this wig is minimal effort. All I had to do was put it on my head, put some mousse, water, some spray, and you're done. Like, there's no extra bleaching, there's no extra plucking, there's no faffing around with the lace, there's no faffing around with the hair, minimal shedding, and the hair is really easy to work with. So absolutely love that. So yeah, thank you so much to Wiggins Hair. This hair is stunning. And the best part about this wig is that it is completely glueless. Like nothing, no adhesive, no nothing. And it's not going anywhere. You can adjust it as tight as you want, as loose as you want. You can use the combs, you can use the elastic band. So absolutely love that. I hope you guys enjoyed this install. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon in another one. Bye guys. Mwah.